Here comes Country Smurf at you with another video on cleaning those chrome wheels. And these are the tools that you may need to drill with a little buffer, a little rag there to wipe up the excess, and that old turtle wax chrome polish. Yeah, I still use it. Look at the bottle. It's old. That turtle. Yeah, I still use it. Now I'm going to do the front next. But I've already did all the wheels. All of them got that hazy looking. This is the finished one. Look at that mirror look. Looking like glass to me. A pure reflection. Turtle wax. Dirt Road Custom.